Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5a, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. Now before I get started, I'll just come clean and say that the glass that I'm using is for a different device, but if you just kind of look closely, it's so close to the display size that I honestly don't really care. Typically, I believe if you have a glass designed specifically for this phone, you'll have a hole punch camera in it somewhere in the corner, just because the actual phone itself has a hole punched camera right here, as you can see. So chances are your tempered glass will as well, but mine does not, because I'm not using the one designed for this specific device. But like I said, it's close enough. That's what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna also just kind of give you a guide on how you apply it with a hole punched camera, because I do kind of accommodate in the way that I apply my glasses to cameras. So the way I would do it, I'm gonna start off with actually explaining how I apply my glass is, well, when you have a glass, you want to peel off the number 1, obviously when you're ready to apply it. So once you peel that off, you then flip it over, because you will just peel off the foil that is protecting the actual glass, and this is the glass side. So this is the side that you will be touching with your finger, and this is the one that will be sticking to the display. So once you peel that off, you'll then place it down on your display. I'm gonna flip it over for now. And if you have a hole punch camera somewhere in the corner, you will want to start off by fixing your tempered glass around that hole punch camera, and just position it correctly. So hold it by the bezels like this, by the edges of the screen, and then place it at an angle. So just kind of showcase this off at an angle, something like this. And you will then, while holding the tempered glass, you'll also feel the bezels of the device. This will allow you to shift it left and right a little bit, enough to actually position it correctly. And obviously with your right hand you can move it on the bottom left and right, which will change the angles right here. Pull it up or down, obviously. So once you have it applied correctly at the top, I mean around the camera specifically, and also the distances between the bezels on the left and right side, and top and bottom, or top right and left side are correct, you can then apply force down right here. So this will prevent it from shifting. And from there, just don't put as much force, because the glass will stick to the display just a little bit enough, but you just don't want it to come up. And from there, on your bottom side of the device, so with your right hand, at least in my case, you want to do the same thing. So position it correctly to the left and right side of so the bezels are evenly spaced out, and then just literally drop it. From there, put some pressure on it, and it will start sticking to the display. Okay, so now that we get that out of the way, eat that to the side and get a microfiber cloth to clean off the display. Now chances are most likely, or almost in every case, you have a wet and dry wipe that came with the display. In certain scenarios you also might get stickers. Stickers are good to remove dust particles that might settle on the display once you cleaned it off. So grab the wet wipe, then dry wipe, and clean off your device completely, but I'm not using mine because this is the size of them that comes with this cheap tempered glass, so obviously it's just pitiful right here. And this is a wet wipe that came in straight out of the box dry, so it's just bad. So I prefer to use a microfiber cloth, and if you have one, it's going to be much simpler and easier to just use that instead. Obviously it's a much bigger canvas, so it's easier to clean off your display with dealing with this little wipes that you might get. So once you clean off the device of all grime that is on here, next thing you want to worry about is dust particles, and this will be your worst enemy. There we go. So if you have a sticker, you can use that to remove dust particles that will settle on your display. If you don't, just using your microfiber cloth, just give it a gentle pass, a swipe, and then go straight to applying your glass. So don't waste any time, just peel off one and go straight for it. There we go. And as you can see, it's spaced out pretty evenly. And it's actually already started applying itself, so I don't need to do anything. And yeah, there we go. And it's now perfectly on here, evenly spaced out. Now if you see these kind of like dots right here, these are just on the tempered glass itself, so you can clean those off with a little bit of force and maybe some kind of like liquid, because this is, I believe, like solution that they use when cutting shapes of the tempered glass. So this is kind of annoying to clean off. It does come off. As you can see, it's coming off, though it's, like I said, a little bit harder to get rid of. But it's nothing under the display. It's on top of it, so you can clean it off without a problem. So there we go. This is how you'd apply your tempered glass, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.